Data landed at endpoints still absolutely secure because of operating in sectors architecture. First, on the server side, you can see an image including 3 systems: Windows 11, Windows 10, and Ubuntu. All nodes are configured to offline booting disable. Phantosys creates a client node with its own 1 TB D data disk. Here, we can see the node is in a partial cached state on the hard disk, means offline mode is not usable. Note, offline usage option settings can be configured on the server side well. Now the client is connected to the server via the network. Press the power button to boot the client. After the client connects to the server, then the boot menu appears. The menu displays system disk nodes for Windows 10, Ubuntu, and Windows 11, along with a 1 TB data disk node. These nodes are only partial cached on the hard disk. In the demonstration, we only enter the Windows 11 system node. Enter the login password. Open File Explorer. Phantosys System Disk C operates smoothly and stably. You can also see that Phantosys Data Disk D is functioning normally with data inside. We will test by editing a file on this data disk, adding the text Win11 test2, and then save it to confirm normal operating. Open the command prompt window. Ping the server IP in the command prompt window. We can see the network is functioning normally with responses from the server. Next, we disconnect the network cable to simulate offline conditions. We can see no more responses from the server. Within 5 seconds, the system stops functioning, so the command prompt window is no longer responsive and no other applications can be opened. Manually force a reboot of the client. Since the system cannot detect any bootable hard drives, it automatically switches to the BIOS. In the boot options, only network booting remains available. If disconnect to the network, the system will remain in the BIOS screen, unable to boot into any system, and hard drive appears blank. If attempting to access this hard drive's data with another Windows system, such as using a USB drive with the WinPE system, in File Explorer, no hard drive can be accessed. Only the USB drive containing the WinPE system is visible. Penning Disk Management to inspect the hard drive reveals that it appears like a brand new unallocated disk with no partitions visible. Even using third-party tools like Disk Genius to inspect the hard drive, but only reveals no visible partitions or data available. The above inspections confirm that data integrity is absolutely secure when on disk, what seems like Mission Impossible scenario. Now, we reconnect the network cable and connect to the server. The network cable is connected. PEX can be used to reconnect to the server. After reconnecting to the server, the menu reappears, allowing access to the nodes for booting up. Re-enter the Windows 11 system node. Re-enter the password. Open File Explorer. Phantosys System Disk C operates smoothly and stably. You can also see that Phantosys Data Disk D is functioning normally with data inside. Opening the data file again, we can see the Win11 test2 text is still there, confirming the data existed on the D disk, but in offline mode, the client disk would appear blank and unpartitioned situation. The demonstration above proves that data on disk is absolutely secure. Operating within a sector-based architecture, the data is invisible, undetectable, and unscannable. The unique technology has been recognized and proved by the Foxconn Group, the hugest EMS in the world, and numerous Chinese military units, and applied for more than a decade. There is no need to worry about data leaking out from the endpoint because the input or output ports are controlled or blocked in MAC layer, which cannot be bypassed at all. More information or POC requirements, please contact info@phantosys.com. Thank you for your watching.